One day, a bird and a spider were in the jungle. The bird was always being vain. He bragged, "I'm so pretty, spider is ugly." Spider was always generous. He always helped people get up when they fell. Bird didn't help them get up. One day, while Bird was teasing Spider, Spider had an idea. When the day came, Spider bet Bird that he can't fly through 30 hoops in under a minute. Bird accepted. Spider had spun webs in the 30 hoops. When it was time, Spider said, "Go." Bird flew through the first 5 hoops and got tangled and fell into a mud pit. The bird got dirty and Spider was clean. All the jungle animals laughed at him. Moral: good looks are everything.